Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. I have this 08 Chevy Uplander and none of the buttons on the key fob work. So if I try to unlock it, lock it, the alarm button, nothing pretty much works. I tried replacing the battery, it still didn't help. This is a common problem on old style GMC and Chevy key fobs. Sometimes one of the buttons or even all of the buttons don't work, like in my case, and now I will show you what we do to fix it and what most usually helps. You might be skeptical once you see what I'm about to do, but give it a try. It will take like 5 minutes of your time and it will most likely fix your Chevy key fob. Okay, so all you will need to get this Chevy key fob working is a bit of just plain aluminum foil, which you use like in kitchen. And you will need a small glue, super glue, which acts fast, and a small flat screwdriver, and that's it. Okay, first you will want to open this Chevy key fob. So what you will do, just you stick this flat screwdriver between the top and the bottom part, pry it in, and the key fob is gonna separate like this. Okay, before you try anything else, make sure to replace the battery and try it out. It's very easy to replace this battery, just pull it out and put a new one in. The battery you need is CR2032. I hope you can see it. If replacing the battery didn't work, first what you will do, turn this key fob to the back side. Now you can wipe this side really good with like rubbing alcohol, even a plain water will do. So don't get it soaked wet, just gently rub it to get rid of any debris or junk or whatever is on there. So make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, now you will do the same with this rubber piece of the key fob. This is the button you actually push, so you will clean it with plain water, not rubbing alcohol, because this is rubber and you might damage it, so just clean it out real good to get rid of any junk inside. Okay, once you have all this nice and clean, what you will do, you will take a small piece of the aluminum foil, a really small piece. You're gonna fold it a couple of times like this, so it fits nicely inside on this button right here, which you actually push to lock and unlock the vehicle. So this is the idea. It has to be like this, and you will glue it actually to the back side of each button. So for the lock and unlock, and this button as well. So you will need 3 small pieces of aluminum and a bit of glue on each of these buttons. Okay. Okay, this one and the one on the bottom as well. Now this is how we fix this Chevy key fobs, and it almost always works. Doesn't matter which model is it, like Chevy Uplander, Chevy Impala, Malibu, whatever. All the key fobs are similar to this one. Maybe they have like one or two more buttons. Maybe they have like a remote start, or I don't know, like a liftgate button or something like that. But doesn't matter. They're all same on the inside. Depending how much buttons you have, you will do this on all of the buttons. Okay, that's it. Now you can basically put it back together. I will repeat one more time. Don't forget to really clean and rub this side of this motherboard because all the like connections are here. So make sure it's nice and clean, and then just put it back together, and that's it. Okay. And yeah, make sure you replace the battery, like I said, before you try doing anything else. Okay, now we will go outside and I will show you that now this key fob will work. Okay, so let's give it a try now. Lock button works. Unlock button works as well. The alarm button. Easy fix, it will not cost you anything. If you take it to a dealer, what they will do after changing the battery, they will just say, oh, you need a new remote, then they will have to program it and this and that, and that's gonna cost you a few $100 in the end. So yeah, it's definitely worth giving this a try and see for yourself.